Meaning of exhalation.
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 Exhalation. Exhalation refers to the act of breathing out air from the lungs. During this process, the diaphragm and intercostal muscles contract, causing the lungs to decrease in volume and push air out through the mouth or nose. The result of exhalation is the removal of carbon dioxide from the body, which is a waste product produced by cellular respiration. Exhalation also makes room for the next inhalation, allowing for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide that is necessary for healthy bodily function.